Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best toolboxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT Extra Large Toolbox. Get maximum storage flexibility with the DEWALT Extra Large Toolbox. The tool storage platform is flexible, allowing you to create different combinations for your tools. All units can be stacked on top of each other and connected securely with durable side latches. The built-in bi-material handle makes it easy to carry your tools around, while the removable tray gives you quick access to the tools you use the most. With extra large volume, you can store even more high-quality tools. Keep your tools safe and organized with this versatile and durable toolbox. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Keter Stack and Roll Tool Organizer. The Keter Tool Organizer is a versatile storage solution designed for your garage or DIY projects. Its durable yet lightweight build makes it easy to handle, while the interlocking design allows you to customize your setup to fit your needs. You can transport it effortlessly thanks to the metal telescopic handle and sturdy wheels, ensuring you can move your tools wherever you need them. Plus, the audible latches provide peace of mind, confirming that your items are secure during transport. A transparent lid on the small parts organizer lets you quickly see what you have stored. At number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER Stackable Storage. Organize your tools with ease using the Beyond by BLACK+DECKER Stackable Storage System. These sturdy units have durable auto-lock latches that make connecting them quick and easy. The quick release on the locking latch allows you to easily separate each module when stacked for quick access to individual units. The toggle latches securely close and lock lids of shallow and deep toolboxes and are easy to operate. This portable wheeled unit can be steered using the ergonomic telescoping handle. With these features, you can easily store and access your tools whenever you need them. At number 2, we have the Plano 16-inch Toolbox. Get ready to conquer any project with the Plano 16-inch Toolbox. This highly durable toolbox, manufactured in China, features a new low-profile design in graphite gray and black. The lift-out tray provides easy access to your most commonly used tools, while heavy-duty latches and handle ensure your tools stay securely in place during transport. 2 removable organizers allow you to customize your storage space to fit your unique needs, with dimensions of 16 x 9.5 x 7.5. This toolbox is the perfect size to take on the go for any job or project. And finally, at number 1, we have the Winado 24 Portable Toolbox. The Winado Toolbox is designed to meet all your storage needs with its spacious 5 drawers and a top storage tray. You can easily transport it wherever you need thanks to its convenient carrying handles. The tool chest features a secure steel lock, ensuring that your tools stay safe and organized during transport. Made from high-quality steel, this sturdy cabinet is built to last, providing you with a reliable storage solution for your garage, workshop, or home. Enjoy smooth access to your tools with the ball-bearing slides in each drawer, making your projects more efficient. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.